Hi everyone, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the around the world money hands trick, which looks like this. A prerequisite I would say for this trick is going to be get really comfortable with the money hands, which is this one, or the crossover wrist spin. And I would also say, as in any other trick, try and practice a little bit with your non-dominant hand as well, just so you can switch up the variety. So you're going to start out with the money hands. And as you're doing this trick just in front of you, notice which way it looks like the star is spinning. So in this case, it looks like it's going this way. So for the money hands around the world, we're going to be hitting 4 different points. We're going to be hitting, you're going to imagine there's a diamond. So there's one at the bottom, one right here, at the top, and right here. And as we're doing the money hands trick, we're going to go in the direction that our star is already spinning and mimic that every time the star drops down right there, we're going to move our hand up to the other point. So in this instance, we're going to start at the bottom and then boom, 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 boom. So every time the gravity of the star is dropping down, you're moving a point around the diamond. So once again, just to model it, you're going to start with the star in your dominant hand, get the money hands going, notice which direction your star is spinning, and then go in that same direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was the Around the World Money Hands trick. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe to see more. I'm Arianne, and thank you for watching today's tutorial.